welcome. Amazon product page feature a very helpful section, and that is question and answer. Alright, if you ever have a question to ask about a product, you can do so in Amazon. But if you've already used a product, you can also answer a question that people may have about the product that you have used. Now, there are two ways to go when you are answering a question. As from a seller perspective, you get notified about the questions that are asked about your product in your email. And you can follow the link and answer the question, or as a customer, you can also answer the question and provide some reference in deciding whether to purchase a product or not for other people. But how do you do that? Hello everyone, welcome to One to Step. In today's video, we're gonna see how we can answer a question in Amazon. Well, that's pretty simple. If you've selected a product like so, and if you scroll down, there you can find looking for specific info, search and reviews, Q&A. Alright, if I want to search for battery, alright, you can see customer Q&As. Let's select it and you can go see full answer. So you can add a video answer in here and a written answer in here. Once you have written it, you can just click on this answer button and your answer will be posted to the product page. Pretty simple, huh? If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions? Do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye-bye.